All praises to the Most High, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Rahaha Qadash. Double honors to the elder apostles and elder bishops of Great Millstone who rule well. Peace and salutations to the hopeful elect, scattered throughout the four corners of the earth, laboring in his truth in all sincerity. Psalms 113 and 7. I'm going to first read this in the KJV, then in the YLT, or the Young's Literal Translation, and then in the Lashawan Qadash. Psalms 113 and 7, KJV. He raiseth up the poor out of the dust, and lifteth the needy out of the dunghill. Psalms 113 and 7 in the Young's Literal Translation. He is raising up from the dust the poor, from a dunghill he exalteth the needy. Psalms 113 and 7 now in the Lashawan Qadash. Ma koyamya, ma ipar dal, ma ashpath, ya rayam, ab yawan. He raiseth up. Ma koyamya. We see that the root word there would be Quam, as in Quam Yasharala, or Rise Israel, or Rise Yasharala. So that's Ma Quayam. The reason why it's Quayam as opposed to just Quam would be because the third person pronoun there, Yah, is at the very end. So he raiseth up would be Ma Quayam Yah. Out of the dust, or from the dust. Ma meaning from or out of. In this particular instance, the dust or dust would be Ipar. Poor would be Dal, or the poor is Dal. Out of the dunghill or from the dunghill would be Ma Ashpath. He lifteth or he exalteth, Ya Rayam. And it's the same thing with Rayam here. We know that Ram would be to exalt, but because the third person pronoun he in this particular instance would be the Most High, Yahweh, the third person pronoun is used, so it slightly changes the root word from Ram to Rayam. And the needy or needy, Ab Yawan. That is Ab Yawan. So once again, I'm going to read this in the YLT because as you can see, the YLT version of this scripture gives a more accurate sentence structure as to how we would read this in the Hebrew or the ancient Hebrew, which is what we're doing here using the Lashawan Qadash. So the YLT is, he is raising up from the dust the poor, from a dunghill he exalteth the needy. Once again in the Lashawan Qadash, Ma Quayamya, Ma Ipar Dal, Ma Ashpath Yarayam, Ab Yawan. I'll read that one more time in the Lashawan Qadash. Ma Quayamya, Ma Ipar Dal, Ma Ashpath Yarayam, Ab Yawan. And I'm going to hopefully upload verse 8 here in just a few moments. With that being said, I pray this was edifying and reaches the ears it's supposed to reach. Shalom.